Hello, I'm Amelia, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix kitchen tap using GROHE as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. An important note before we get started, this installation also applies to many other models, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, make sure you turn off the water before installation. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed quick guide or the installation video. In order to install your new tap, all you need is this supplied QuickTool. Let's get started then. The first thing you have to do is slide this O-ring over the hoses, which prevents water escaping from between the tap and the sink. Then insert carefully. Done. Now assemble the fixing set in this order. You'll only need the triangular stabilising plate if the thickness of the worktop or sink is less than 45mm. Now pull the fixing set over all the hoses and fix it with the half-moon seal and the threaded screw. After the tap has been aligned, the threaded screw can be tightened using the QuickTool. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses' turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always used for cold water and is connected to the right-hand angle valve. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten firmly with the QuickTool until the connection is tight. Hold the hoses tightly here so that they don't twist. Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again half or quarter turn. The valves will then be easier to operate in the future. And now you can test your new tap. Job done! Enjoy using your new tap.